Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets, your trusted destination for wealth-building strategies for achieving financial freedom. In today's video, we will delve into 15 investments that have the potential to significantly enhance your wealth and make you rich. So before we begin, we kindly request that you like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Also, check out how you can get up to 15 free stocks from Moomoo when you open a brokerage account. Click on the link in our description to learn more and get your free stocks. In a world where financial aspirations often take center stage, the quest for wealth is a universal pursuit. The desire to attain a life of abundance, security, and opportunity resonates deeply within us. While the journey to wealth is often romanticized and mystified, it's essential to uncover the tangible avenues that can truly lead us to prosperity. Demystifying the path to wealth. The concept of wealth creation is often shrouded in myths and misconceptions. From the elusive allure of get-rich-quick schemes to the tales of overnight successes, separating fact from fiction is crucial. The truth is that wealth, in its genuine form, is rarely an instantaneous occurrence. Rather, it is the result of intentional, well-informed decisions made over time. The journey to riches is a gradual process, often involving a blend of strategic planning, calculated risk-taking, and a profound understanding of the assets at your disposal. The asset paradigm, a roadmap to prosperity. At its core, wealth creation revolves around the judicious acquisition and management of assets. In their myriad formations, assets are the building blocks of financial success. These are the tools that, when wielded wisely, can propel you towards your financial aspirations. However, not all assets are created equal. Understanding the distinctive attributes and potential of each asset is akin to navigating a treasure map. Each asset is a pathway leading you closer to the treasure trove of financial prosperity. With that said, let's review our 15 investments that can make you rich. Number 1. Stocks. Riding the waves of the market. Stocks are one of the most familiar and enduring assets, represent ownership in publicly traded companies. Investing in stocks can be akin to surfing the waves of the market, a thrilling yet potentially tumultuous journey. Stocks have the potential to generate substantial returns, but success demands vigilance, research, and a steadfast commitment to long-term growth. Number 2. Real estate building wealth, brick by brick. The timeless allure of real estate transcends generations. From residential properties to commercial ventures, real estate offers a dual promise of passive income through rent and the appreciation of property value. The art of real estate investing involves strategic acquisition, astute management, and the wisdom to leverage the power of location. Number 3. Bonds, the steady income stream. Bonds are often referred to as fixed income securities, are a bedrock of stability in the financial realm. By investing in bonds, you essentially become a lender, offering funds to governments or corporations in exchange for regular interest payments. The allure of bonds lies in their predictability, making them a cornerstone of risk-averse investors' portfolios. Number 4. Entrepreneurship, carving your own path. Entrepreneurship stands as a testament to the human spirit's innovation and resilience. Starting a business is akin to sculpting an asset from the clay of your ideas and aspirations. While the entrepreneurial path is riddled with challenges, the rewards can be monumental for those who navigate its twists and turns successfully. Number 5. Intellectual property, monetizing your ideas. In the age of innovation, intellectual property has emerged as a powerful asset class. Patents, copyrights, and trademarks empower creators to monetize their ingenious ideas. The world of intellectual property holds the promise of passive income, transforming concepts into revenue streams that can enrich both the mind and the pocket. Number 6. Precious metals, investing in tangible value. Throughout history, gold, silver, and other precious metals have been revered for their enduring value. These metals serve as a hedge against economic uncertainties, offering investors a tangible refuge in times of turbulence. The allure of precious metals lies not only in their potential for appreciation, but also in their timeless allure. Number 7. Mutual funds. Diversification made easy. For the prudent investor seeking diversification without the complexities of direct asset management, mutual funds are a beacon of accessibility. These pooled funds invest in a diverse portfolio of assets, effectively spreading risk while providing exposure to various sectors. Mutual funds grant you access to professional management without the need for constant vigilance. Number 8. Cryptocurrencies, the digital frontier. Cryptocurrencies represent a paradigm shift in the financial world. Led by pioneers like Bitcoin and Ethereum, these digital assets are characterized by decentralization and the potential for remarkable returns. However, the world of cryptocurrencies is not without its perils. The high volatility demands a nuanced understanding before venturing into this uncharted territory. Number 9. Dividend stocks, reaping rewards regularly. Dividend stocks, a subset of the equity market, offer a dual bounty: the appreciation of stock value and the consistent income generated by dividends. These stocks provide a unique opportunity to enjoy the best of both worlds, a steady income stream and the potential for capital growth. Number 10. Rental properties, the passive income avenue. Owning rental properties grants you entry into the realm of passive income. While property management demands diligence, the consistent inflow of rent payments can be a reliable source of financial stability. By curating a portfolio of rental properties, you create a pathway to financial independence. Number 11. Collectibles. Passion meets profit. For the connoisseur and the enthusiast, collectibles offer a unique marriage of passion and profit. From rare coins to vintage art pieces, these tangible assets have the potential to appreciate significantly over time. Delving into the world of collectibles requires expertise, transforming a personal fascination into a potentially lucrative endeavor. Number 12. Education. Investing in yourself. In the pursuit of wealth, few investments are as transformative as education. The knowledge and skills you acquire are intangible investments that can exponentially increase your earning potential. Continual self-improvement through formal education and personal growth initiatives can pave the way for enhanced career prospects and financial growth. Number 13. Peer-to-peer lending, facilitating financial growth. Peer-to-peer lending platforms have revolutionized the lending landscape. By participating in P2P lending, you become a direct lender to individuals or businesses, potentially earning higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. This innovative investment combines diversification with the potential for compelling returns. Number 14. Farmland and agriculture, cultivating wealth. Investing in farmland and agricultural ventures aligns with the fundamental necessity of food production. As the global population grows, the demand for agricultural products is set to rise, making this asset class fertile ground for long-term investors. From crop yields to land appreciation, agriculture offers a unique avenue to cultivate wealth. Number 15. Your network, connections that count. The power of your network, both personal and professional, cannot be underestimated. Your relationships serve as an intangible asset that can unlock doors to opportunities and collaborations. Nurturing your network can lead to partnerships, ventures, and insights that propel you closer to your financial ambitions. The journey to wealth is not a solitary endeavor, but a symphony of strategic decisions and deliberate actions. In the pursuit of financial prosperity, the importance of understanding and harnessing various assets cannot be overstated. Each investment discussed holds a unique key to the realm of riches, inviting you to embark on a journey where calculated risks and informed decisions intersect. As you navigate the diverse landscape of investing, remember that there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Your journey to wealth is as unique as your individual aspirations and circumstances. The road may be marked by twists and turns, successes and setbacks, but with each step forward, you gain invaluable experience that sharpens your financial acumen. Diversification emerges as a recurring theme in your pursuit of wealth. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you effectively mitigate risks and open doors to a broader spectrum of opportunities. This strategic approach insulates your financial portfolio against the volatility that may accompany any one particular asset. In this pursuit of prosperity, you're not alone. Seek advice from financial experts, mentors, and peers who have trod similar paths. Engage in open dialogues, exchange insights, and stay receptive to new ideas. Building a strong support network can fortify your resolve and keep you grounded. The quest for wealth is, in essence, a journey of self-discovery and exploration of your aspirations, values, and dreams. With each asset you add to your financial arsenal, you inch closer to the realization of those dreams. So, as you set sail on this voyage, may your sails be filled with the winds of opportunity, your compass remain true, and your destination of wealth be reached with wisdom and grace. Also, don't forget to click on our exclusive link to receive up to 15 complimentary stocks from Moomoo. This offer is for a limited time only. Click on the link in the description to get started. As is the case with any financial endeavor, the utmost importance lies in diligently conducting thorough research and analysis before making the decision to invest your hard-earned money, whether it's in purchasing stocks or venturing into the dynamic world of the market. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your investments.